from Velvet, as you guys can tell. This is not the bra. I have the bra, but yeah, or we can try this again. But like, I already wore this last year on the yacht, bitch. Like, I want to sell it, you know, because I already wore it like twice or 3 times in my life, so I feel like yeah. And I already posted on social media. So. Should I try it? And you know, why is it turning to black, by the way? It wasn't black. Am I tripping? I need someone I want to. I need someone to show me your shadows. Let's try this again. I already wore this. That's it. I'm selling it for $100. Cause I'm buying it like almost $200. So this is nice. I know. My boobs. Free my boobs, bitch. But I don't want to wear something that I already wore. Alright? I don't know, man. That's fucking woman mentality. Something wrong with us. Stop it, man. It's expensive bra, you bitch. What's left of you? How am I supposed to tell you? I don't want to sit with any bitch but me. Nobody loves me like you. This is looking nice. Can you do a TikTok dance in bikini? I got 500 subs on the line. If you need content for the next 20 minutes, don't let the... What the fuck is this? Can I shut them? What is kick bounties mean? What does kick bounties mean? I don't understand.